Archipelago Villa by AGi Architects in BOADILLA del Monte, Spain. Archipelago Villa's concept is born from the idea of living the house independently for each inhabitant. A young family with teenage daughters. The home has been organized into independent areas or islands, each with its character and function. At the same time, every island establishes a unique relationship with its own garden and connects with the other rooms through the common spaces that link them naturally. All islands visually connect with the garden surrounding them by the outer perimeter. They also turn towards a central atrium. These visual connections are one of the main ideas that articulate the house's design. Thus, from the aromatic garden next to the house's entrance, one can see the large central atrium, which houses an infinity pool right in front of the living room. All islands maintain these interior-exterior relationships with each other and with open spaces. In this way, the house flows, opens, and relates to the outside, maintaining its autonomy and privacy. The roof design is another key element of the project. A large roof is common to all the islands and provides them with shelter, unity, and shade. This closes the archipelago. This ceramic roof has a great visual presence. It is a flat ribbon that wraps around the house and floats over it. The project is completed with 3 large skylights that provide spaciousness and additional natural light in key spaces of the home. Program: the house is accessed via an aromatic garden next to which the family island is situated. The island has a closed dining room, a large living room, and an open kitchen. On the other side of the entrance, there is the island designed for the daughters, which hosts 3 large bedrooms. Because of its organization, they have a lot of privacy. In connection with it, it is the private island, dedicated to the parents. In it, a large bedroom with a great dressing room and spacious bathroom opens to a huge private garden that has a tropical accent. The islands surround a large open atrium bordered by gardens. A large swimming pool dominates this space and connects to an outdoor kitchen and dining area.